So guys, we're doing a little fun run with the supercars. So we have the Aventador, JT.R, Urus 488. So we have another JT.R Pista. Yeah boy, the 488 sounds good. Yeah boy. So that was a quick run. Okay. So that was just a short run. Maybe next time sunod tayo, cause I literally don't have any cash. Hindi ako nakapag-withdraw, sayang. But anyways, I'm heading back to work. Baka mag-BGC pa lang muna ako to check out some friends over there if they have standbys, and putting some mileage on this baby. So let's go to BGC, check some cars there. So on my next videos, I'll do review on this car. Oh sorry, sanay na kasi sa kotse. I'll do a review on this motorcycle, the Ninja 400, Kawasaki Ninja 400. So this is a 2018 model, but I think there's nothing much different with the 2019, 2020. The 2020 has a different sticker, but what we like about this one is it's color black. It has a very low mileage when you got it. It's 100 kilometers. Yeah, it's a fun motorcycle to drive. So it's a good day to have a fun run, and to add mileage for this one, so it's just 284 kilometers, and we need to get to 1,000 for this baby. We have a Jimny right here, all set up, and Vespa group 200SX, Porsche old school, E55, MG. Okay, let's go around pa. Maybe if we could see more people around. If not, let's go to Ayala Labang. Yeah boy. Panigale, Kawasaki. That's good seeing people around. Yeah boy. Oh, let's roam around more. Let's see who's around. Wow.